fishy! How are you today? Ooh, I would love to draw and paint you. Starting with the outline of the body, kind of an egg shape on its side. A circle for the eyes and mouth, a semicircle, and we're going to do the top fin and the tail, the bottom fin, and now for the scales, which are kind of overlapping semicircles. You see, they're really easy to do. Excellent! Now we're ready to paint. Let's go for yellow for the face. Gorgeous. And the great thing about this is you can do all your favourite colours. You could even get a picture of a fish and copy its colours. A pink mouth. And purple now. We're going to do purple up here. Great. And here. And here. Now going for red for our first layer of scales. We're doing a rainbow fish, all different colours. Let's go for yellow next. Lovely, to match the face. Wow, that looks great against the purple, don't you think? Small strokes. There. Blue next. Gorgeous, my favourite colour. What's your favourite colour? You can do it all the same colour if you like, but we like rainbow fishies. Going for gold next. Ooh, lovely. And now, green. Yes! Finally, pink for the tail. Bigger strokes this time. Almost there. You're done! Brilliant! Well done! What a gorgeous glitter fish! Amazing! Hey kids! Would you like to draw and paint a baby stroller? Oh, that would be so cute! Okay, we are doing the bottom part and we've got 2 wheels, so that's a big circle, a smaller one inside it, and an even smaller one in the middle, and then the spokes. 2 of those. So we're doing the same again. Perfect, well done. Then we're going to do the hood with a little bit of a frill on the edge. Some detail and the handle and a heart. How about the baby's hands reaching out for a hug? Blackening up the border. It really makes our colour stand out once we paint it. Right, ready to paint? Let's go for pale pink for the baby's hands. Kind of peachy pink. Oh, okay, green for the frills. Let's do every other segment green and pink in between. Wow, that is vibrant, don't you think? You can do yours any colour you like, of course. I'm going for blue next for the rim of the pram. And some brown for the handle. How about a dark brown on the end? Brilliant. And yellow for the main part, painting around my love heart. I love the colours yellow and blue next to each other. They look really cool. That's it. Okay, red for my love heart, of course. But you can be as creative as you like. Going for dark brown for the tyres. And yellow in the middle. How about purple in between every other spoke? And let's go for green next to the purple. That is cool and it matches the hood. Yes, same again on the other wheel, so dark brown on the outside. Yellow in the middle and then purple and green alternating. Wow, that looks so cool. Baby stroller, where are you? Here I am, green, purple too. Yay! That looks amazing! Well done, you did a great job! Hey kids, how would you like to draw and paint a cute little bunny? You would? Brilliant! Let's do the ears first. Long oval shapes. Then the head is a circle. Little tuft of hair. Circular eyes with some eyelashes, of course, 3 on each side. The patches, the nose, the mouth. Now for the body. arms, tummy, tail and feet, and the pads underneath. Perfect! Darkening up the border. And ready to paint, yay! Going for a lovely pink colour for the inner ear. A cute pink and grey bunny. Ah, grey on the outside. I love these two colours together, they look awesome. Now a light grey or silver. The centre of the face there, carefully going around the little nose and the mouth. That's it. Going for the dark grey again. On either side, going around the eyes. Gorgeous! That's it, and done! Now pink for the tongue. And a little brown nose. Back to the light grey silver colour. We're going to do the body with the arms. Either side, leaving out the middle of the paws and the tummy. Then we're going back to pink for the tummy to match the inner ears. I love this baby pink colour, don't you? And the bottom of the feet the same. Dark grey. And the tail. And we are done! There you go! How super easy was that? And how super cute! I would love to have a bunny, wouldn't you? Hey kids, how are you today? Would you like to draw and paint a gorilla? Yay! Start with the head, the ears, a tuft of hair, the inner face like a figure of 8, eyebrows and circle eyes, little nostrils oval shaped and a smiley mouth. Now we're going for the chest and the tummy, and the arms are raised with the hands in the air. Excellent! A bit of symmetry, so they're exactly the same on each side. Some palms. Ready to paint, just like that, starting with sparkly silver for the outer ear and then black inside and black for the outside of the face. Brilliant. Going for silver on the inside face, going around the eyes carefully. There you go. And the chest and the tummy can be the same colour. How about the palms of the hands too? Fantastic. Back to black. Now we're doing a normal black colour for our gorilla, but you can do your gorilla any colour you like. Why not make it a rainbow gorilla? All different colours. Maybe you could even put a pattern on it, like hearts or stars or stripes. Be as creative as you like. It's your gorilla. We're using sparkly black and silver and grey paint. You can use crayons or pencils or pens. It really is all up to you. And there you have it. Gorilla! Woohoo! Well done. G'day, mate. We're gonna make a koala picture today. Yeah, did you know that koalas live in Australia? Let's start with the eyes and the nose and the mouth. Face and the ears. They're a bit fluffy around the edge. Next we go for the body and the legs and feet. Where will our koala be? How about sitting in a tree? That's what they do. They live in the trees and sit and eat the leaves. That's right, so we're drawing some leaves on our branch. Darkening up the border. That's it. You can use the same black marker pen, going over it a couple of times to make it dark, or a thick one. Right, it's time to paint. Starting with blue. Ooh, we love a bit of blue. Outer ears first. And some pink. Yeah, inside. Brilliant. Going back to our blue for the face. I think we'll do most of our koala blue because I love this colour. You can, of course, do it any colour you like. Koalas are very often grey. Black nose. Lovely. Little bit of silver for the area around the mouth. Red tongue. Pink inside the mouth. Let's go for blue for the rest of the body. Cute little arms hanging onto the tree there. Let's just go for silver on the belly. Back to blue for the legs. Brilliant! We're almost done with this koala. That's how easy it is. Going for brown for our branch. And green, of course, for the leaves. Gorgeous! And there you have it. Wow! An amazing blue sparkly koala sitting in the tree. Woohoo! Hey kids, fancy some milk and cookies? Oh, I do love it at bedtime. Start with a circle for the cookie and a smiley face. Rosy cheeks. And of course, don't forget the chocolate chips. Or are they raisins or Smarties? What do you want on your cookie? It's all up to you. Little arms and legs. And next to it, a glass of milk. Yummy milk, good for the bones, you know. Smiley face there too. And some hands and legs. And did you know that cookies and milk are best friends? So they're holding hands. Darkening up the border to make our colours stand out. Ready to paint. Okay, let's go for brown for our cookie, because our cookie is a chocolate cookie. Yummy, yummy. What's your favourite cookie? Do you like chocolate chip? Do you like Nutella cookies? How about vanilla cookies? Have you even tried fudge caramel cookies? Or mint choc chip? Even better. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Right, darker brown for our chips and the hands and feet. Lovely. Bit of dark chocolate never did anyone any harm. Same for the glass of milk, hand and feet. Now we're going for peachy cheeks. Onto blue to represent our glass. So the outer part is all going to be blue. Carefully going down the sides of our milk. And then we're going for a very pale silver colour, which is almost white, to represent our milk. Carefully going around the facial features, eyes and cheeks. With a small paintbrush, that will do the job. And we're done. Some peachy cheeks there too. And there you have it. Cookies and milk. Oh, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Hey kids, fancy a cuppa? Ooh, looks lovely to me. Let's draw. We're going to do a lovely teacup with a heart in the middle. Doing the outside of the cup and the handle and the saucer now. Inside and outside rings. Brilliant. Teapot lid. The main body. Let's do the handle. And the spout. And the bottom. And some heart details in the middle to match our heart on the teacup. Aww. Don't they look just like the teapot and the teacup from Beauty and the Beast? Do you remember? Mrs. Potts, the teapot, and Chip, her son, was the teacup. Oh, but Chip had a little chip inside. Okay, going for brown for the inside of our teacup. Could be hot chocolate if you'd prefer. Red for the handle and the heart. And yellow for the main part. Lovely. How about pink for the inside of the saucer? Yes. And what colour should we do the outside? How about blue? Oh, that does look lovely, doesn't it? Now for the teapot. Yellow for the lid. Lovely. Matches the teacup, you know. And blue. That matches the outside of the saucer. Yes. And how about some pink? Brilliant! I love this matching set. Carefully painting around your love hearts. Almost there. And done! Let's go for yellow for the hearts. Oh, lovely. And green for the spout. Why not? Fantastic. And the handle too. And we're done. There you have it. Go on. Have a cup of tea. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle and here is my spout. Hey kids, do you love sunflowers? I do too. Let's draw one. Yes. start with the eyes and little oval shapes for rosy cheeks, half circle for a mouth, a big circle for the head, and of course, let's not forget the petals. These are gorgeous teardrop shapes and we're layering them. And a stem and some leaves. Darken around the border, like a zigzag. And the leaves and stem as well. Ready to paint. Okay, we're going for yellow of course, because it's a sunflower. Let's do every other petal. We can do a different shade in between. Perfect! Going for the slightly darker yellow here, almost a golden colour. That looks really cool. Yay! Now the face. Let's go for brown. Going around the eyes, around the cheeks and the mouth. Almost there. Done! Let's go for a pink rosy cheeks and mouth and a green stem and leaves. Brilliant! There you go! That was easy, wasn't it? Well done! You made a sunflower and it is beautiful.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!